Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in the kitchen because I am showing y'all how I make my do-it-yourself at-home acai bowl. So good. It's my favorite meal ever. I'm not a cook, so if I can do this every day, every other day, you guys can do it too. It's super simple, so easy, and I just think you guys will really like it, and I hope you guys try it out. If you do, let me know what you think. With that being said, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos in the future. I actually had no intentions of filming this today. I was getting ready to film another video for you guys, and I hadn't had lunch yet. I was like,
oh, I'm gonna make an acai bowl.
Obviously, I eat that like every day. So I was getting ready to make it, and I was like,
hold up, wait, I need to record this.
Because I know people have asked how I make my acai bowls, and I want to put content out for you guys so you can see what I do, everyday life stuff, and just give you guys what you want to see. That is literally all I want from this channel. So don't forget to let me know what you guys want to see next on my channel. And yeah, let's do this. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys all of the ingredients I use. Of course, switch it up, do what you want. I use certain fruits, you can add more fruit in, you can not use the fruit I used, whatever, just make it how you like it. And if you like something else and I don't have it in there, add it in, it's still going to taste amazing. This is just like a super basic acai bowl, and it's just what I like. First thing I want to show you is the blender I use. I love this blender so much. We got it on our registry. It is the Ninja. I'll have to look up which one, but it has the Auto IQ, so I don't have to sit there and watch my fruit smoothie acai bowl blend. I can just hit the Auto IQ and it will blend it for me until it is ready and all blended up. This is the cup that I use. It is the bigger size that you get with the Ninja, and it has like the blending top. So obviously I use that because that's how you blend it. So we're good there. Also, before I continue, I just want to say, as always, I'm linking everything in the description, from my outfit to the blender to the ingredients I'm using, just so you guys can see them and refer back to them. I have tried several different acai blends and purees and things like that, and honestly, I just discovered this one and I think it's my favorite. I actually got this from Walmart. It is the Campo Verde. I honestly don't want to butcher that, so I'm just gonna stop there. And yeah, it's this acai mix. It is so freaking good, guys. It like blends so smoothly, and I have tried other ones that are a little bit more
Babe.
Someone interrupted my video, but I'm just gonna keep going. This one is not sugar-free, but it is gluten-free, so that kind of helps as well. I would prefer sugar-free, so I'm going to look into this and see if I can find a sugar-free version in this brand. So if I do, I will link it in the description. But this is the one that I use currently, and it comes in little packs like this, and there's 8 of them, and I feel like it's a lot more acai mix than the other one I had. So that's kind of nice. As far as everything else I mix in, obviously you have the acai mix, and then I take a banana. I have half of a banana from yesterday, so I'm going to use this half to blend in. I would usually just take a whole banana, cut it in half. I would blend in half into the blender with the acai mix and everything else, and then the other half as toppings. And then I also blend in whole strawberries. They are frozen, and then frozen blueberries as well. Then I also add in this chocolate PB Fit peanut butter powder. It is a protein powder, and I just add it just to add some protein to my acai bowl. And I worked out today, so I'm feeling good, and I just want to give my body what it needs. So there you go. Okay, so my acai mix is defrosted. It shouldn't be completely liquid. It should still be semi-solid. You want it to still be like frozen, but you don't want it to be rock hard frozen. So I already have half the banana inside. So I'll show you just for reference of how defrosted it should be. It just kind of looks like that. So delicious. It honestly doesn't look very good at all, but I have half the banana and then I put my acai mix inside. And then now I'm gonna go in with the strawberries and blueberries. I usually just take like a handful, usually like 3 or 4. Oops, dropped it. And I think that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I put 5 strawberries in this time. Like probably like 10 blueberries. I really don't know. I just go like, that's more than 10 probably, but something like that. The next thing that I put in is the protein powder, and I just take a normal sized spoon and I just do 2 scoops of the protein powder. So I don't know if you guys can see my cup. I'll put it right here, and I just go like that, just like that, and then I put one of those in, and then I put another one. So you have 2 scoops of your protein powder. This is what it looks like so far. You've got your fruit, your acai mix, half your banana, your protein powder, everything that is just, you know, makes it the best. And then you go in and you add liquid. So you can use milk, any kind of milk, almond milk, regular milk, whatever you want. I like to use water because it's better for you, and I don't know, I just think it tastes better. I like to taste more of the fruit versus like the cream and the milk. Add about, let's see, okay, I add about that much. That honestly might be too much, but that's kind of what it's looking like at this point. Doesn't look very good right now, but I promise it tastes amazing. So now you are ready to blend. So you want to have your blender ready. You have your blending top if you have the Ninja, and you secure it. Okay, so we are ready to blend. I just blend it until I think it looks good. You can auto IQ it if you have the Ninja as well. I just like to watch it because I don't want it to be super runny. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and then I'll show you guys what the consistency looks like. I just like hit it off the sides because you want to get as much of it into your bowl as possible. Obviously, you're gonna get your bowl, and you are going to just pour the mix that you just blended into your bowl. Okay, and it just looks like that. I don't want to dump it over, but that's kind of what you should be looking at, something similar. And it's just like a nice blend, not too thick, not too runny. And then the next thing that I do is I go in with granola. I use the Cascadian Farm Organic Oats and Honey granola. Looks like that. I will link it for you. Okay, so I have the granola on top. So now I'm just gonna cut up the other half of my banana, and I am going to put that in a nice little circle around the top just for looks. You honestly could just throw the banana on there if you just don't care about looks, but I like it to look pretty. Now I'm just taking the banana pieces and putting them around my bowl. Now that you have your banana toppings on, I then go in with peanut butter, the good old Jif creamy peanut butter. Obviously, if you're healthier, use almond butter or don't use peanut butter. It's totally up to you. You get to decide how you want to make this and the toppings you put on it. I take the Jif creamy peanut butter and I do a massive scoop because it's my favorite thing about an acai bowl. So I just go in with my spoon, and it's like this big. I'm not kidding, because that is huge. And I go in and just put that right on top. Perfect. And yeah, that's all I do. Super simple. But at this point, you have a beautiful looking acai bowl ready to eat. So simple, so easy. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is what the acai bowl looks like. Of course, if you want to add strawberries or blueberries or anything like that, you can add it. And that is how I make my DIY at home acai bowl. So easy, so affordable, and it's kind of like a, I don't know, you can experiment, try new things, add honey to the top, strawberries, blueberries, pineapple is really good in acai bowls, so you get to kind of decide or mess around and see what you like the best. I hope that helped you guys, and if you have any questions, obviously ask them in the comments and I would be happy to answer them for you. But yeah, that's all for this video. Don't forget, give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos in the future. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Hope it was helpful. Super short and sweet video, but that's how I make them, and that's my little secret. I feel like I've mastered this. If you try this out, go ahead and tag me on your Instagram story at HallieWallsXO so I can see how you guys create your perfect acai bowl. With that being said, I'm gonna go eat, and I hope you guys have a great day. See you in my next video.